What's up, E-Crew? Welcome back to the channel. On today's quick vlog, we are spending time with our doggies and our e-bikes. We're not doing a group ride today. I had to spend time with my dogs, and I wanted to use this new built Santa Cruz bbshd Luna battery that we put together, and we just attached our Let's Go pet walker for the dog attachment. So yeah, let's spend some time with our dogs. Doing more pavement tests before I finally take it on the off-road, but it's been handling pretty nice. This Santa Cruz is pretty lightweight. I like how it handles compared to my wife's setup. The battery being on the down tube does feel a lot better when you're maneuvering. This one's a little top heavy, but my wife still likes this bike, and it's short for her. Eventually, I think I'm gonna hopefully try to get her more accustomed to this bike, and I'll just make it a little bit shorter so that it fits her a little bit better. But I like how this handles for sure, the Santa Cruz. This is a 2004 Santa Cruz Blur. Alright, let's bike our dogs. Sit. Sit down. Sit. Good boy. These guys are getting old. 13-year-old and 12-year-old. That's like 91 in dog years and 84. Aren't you? Alright. I want to see what's up with your chin here, girl. You have like something under your chin. Yeah, I know. It's been raining. Haven't been getting you guys out. It's cold at night. We used to bike typically at night, but it's been freezing at night, so found some time to spend time with these guys. The four-legged family. We'll try to get Crystal with us too. We're just waiting on her, guys. We're waiting on her, okay? You guys are getting old on me. I need to get you guys documented more. Bless you. Alright, where's Crystal? Here we go. They're definitely feeling that this is a heavier bike altogether. But going about 16 miles per hour according to my speedometer here. Crystal's joining us a little bit. She's behind. Alright, make a right. And yeah, I am not pedaling or using the throttle at all. This is basically dog-powered biking. Something they really love. And something I need to do more because I spend so much time on e-biking and now gym has opened. I've been neglecting my dogs a little bit, so this is something I used to do twice a week. I don't know where Crystal went, but I guess she's just regularly biking too. I pressed the throttle a little bit. I'm sure they kind of appreciate not having to pull. It looks like they've done road work in this block lately, which is good. It's smoother, it feels like. I feel like Crystal's playing Pokemon and trying to e-bike a little bit. I've been liking these mirrors here actually. This was like $15 for two, and I've been using these on my other e-bikes as well. It's fairly compact and It doesn't really get in the way of a lot of things. Kind of like it. Alright, go say hi to the dogs. Go say hi to your German Shepherd friend. Oh, there's a car behind, so let me get out of the way. Right. Thank you. Those guys are new neighbors. They just moved in, and I'm in real estate. They bought that house for a pretty crazy price. Like, almost 80K than what normal homes go for around here. So that's a good thing for me, for my home, because I guess the value is going up. Like in most places, value is going up, but I never thought that house would sell for whatever that house sold for. And those guys are just barely moving in. You could see that they're still kind of sorting their things out. Alright, I'm going to use the throttle on you guys, help you guys a little bit, since they're probably not used to pulling like a 55-pound bike. They're just normally pulling my cheap Walmart bike before. Are you guys almost done? They're almost done. We're only going like 7 miles per hour now. Yeah, you guys are getting old. These guys get energized a little bit when dogs bark at them. Makes them run faster. They're like kind of like they're showboating. No, we're going to right. She wants to go straight, but we're gonna go right. Oh, there's Crystal. Let's catch up to her. Come on, let's go. Come on. She's at the end of the block. Oh no, there's a loose dog. Ah, gosh, I hate this dog. Yeah, you guys better tame that dog. Unless you want to be, unless it wants to be for dinner. Small dogs are so aggressive. But they're all bark. There's no bite. Like that dog always just comes at us. Never does anything else. But I just hate when people try to walk their dogs off leash, and then they first think that their dog is trained, and then next thing you know, they're coming after me. It's like, okay, don't walk your dogs off leash. If you can't 110% trust your dog off leash, it's just not good for everyone. Let's go. I lost Crystal already. Come on, let's catch up to Crystal. Alright, bonus round. These guys are donezo already. We've only gone 2 miles. Yeah, they're definitely up there in terms of age. And we're barely just creeping around here at 4 miles per hour. These guys are very tired. But so far, yeah, I think this bike is pretty much ready. I think it'll be pretty much ready for the off-roading. Hi guys. I'm just cruising by here. Hello. Yeah, my dogs are tired. Particularly her. She's like 2 feet behind. She's dragging our unit a little bit. She might need a breather. But him, he looks like he's still energetic, as always. I'm gonna take it easy with these guys. give him some water at home, and probably call it a day. Wow, okay. We used to go again like 8 to 16 miles, and then now they're just tired at 2 miles, 2 to 4 miles now. We'll do a U-turn. 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 I saw Crystal. Let's catch up with Crystal. And then you guys can go home. The one thing about this bike is it has a pretty wide handlebar. Probably the widest handlebar in the collection so far, but it just takes getting used to. And I feel like it's not bad for the geometry of this bike. It doesn't feel too bad. Okay, there's Crystal. Finally. I'll follow her. We're gonna follow you, okay? We're gonna follow you. U-turn. Okay, follow Crystal. Follow Crystal and head home, guys. Come on. Just keep up. I know you guys are tired. Last stretch. Don't lose her. Don't lose her. Right? I do recommend this, biking your dog, whether it's just a regular bike. It's if you have working class dogs, I love this setup. I've been using it for over 10 years. And the main thing is put them on the non-drive side, so your left and your left leg kind of keeps them away from the cranks. It's awesome. I recommend it if you have really active dogs. But that's going to be today's quick vlog, guys. Quick e-bike vlog with your dogs. Like and subscribe for more content. Check out the useful links in the description below for additional discounts on a Super73, any arielrider e-bike, or a DIY Bafang middrive kit. Thank you for tuning in. See you guys in the next episode. Peace.